Look, it's Raggedy Andy.
Baby Reed, I missed you so much. I haven't seen you since this afternoon in the crib. This afternoon you wrecked my hat a little bit. I still love you. Oh. Can you stand up like this, Baby Reed? Can you stand up like this? Show me how you can stand. I can dance. Dance it. You want to dance with me? Have a little dance. Take it out. Take it out.
Hello, Baby Reed. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Dun, 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 dun. Why are you tackling me, Baby Reed? Oh, you've got my foot.
I'm over here now. Oh no, my leg! My leg is for dinner.
Let him take him on, Benny. Hug them. Baby Reed, you got Andy? Do you got Raggedy Andy? Yay!
Bestest friend in the world. Oh no, Andy!
Oh no! Raggedy Andy fell off the bed. Oh, is that your Raggedy Andy? Do you love him?
Can you give him a hug?
Do you love him? Give Raggedy Andy big hugs.
Baby Reed. Hey. Give Andy hugs. Give him a hug. Or body slam him. Either one.
Raggedy Andy body slammed you somehow. How did Raggedy Andy win that battle?
Figure 4.
Oh no. You wrestled Raggedy Andy and Raggedy Andy won. How'd that happen?
Think about it. Alright, baby, stop. The ones you do are too long.